if you're experiencing a stuck loading screen in Red Dead Redemption 2, there are several steps you can take to resolve the issue. Follow these steps to troubleshoot and hopefully fix the problem. Step 1. Restart the game. Close Red Dead Redemption 2 completely and restart it. Sometimes, simply restarting the game can clear temporary glitches that cause loading issues. Step 2. Check for updates. Ensure that both your game and your gaming platform PC, PlayStation, Xbox are updated to the latest version. Updates often include bug fixes that can resolve loading problems. Step 3. Verify game files. If you're playing on PC, use the game launcher, Steam, Epic Games, etc. to verify the integrity of the game files. This process will check for any corrupted or missing files and replace them. Step 4. Clear cache. For console players, clearing the cache can help. Turn off your console, unplug it for a few minutes, then plug it back in and restart. For PC, you can clear temporary files using the disk cleanup tool. Step 5. Adjust graphics settings. Lowering the graphics settings in the game can sometimes help with loading issues. Access the settings menu and reduce the graphics quality, resolution, or other demanding options to see if it improves loading times. If these steps do not resolve the issue, consider reaching out to the game support team for further assistance.